Well, good morning, my dear students. We are going through our chapter number 17, that is stars and the solar system. And in the last two sessions, we have tried to understand what are the heavenly bodies, or you can say the celestial bodies. Then we have tried to understand what is meant by the night sky, and what are the stars. And in particular, we have tried to understood about the nature of the pole star, Dhruv Tara. Okay, it lies on the axis of the earth and it appears to be stationary. Though all the stars are stationary, but they appears to be moving from east to west like sun. Sun is also a star. Why? Because of the rotation of the earth on its axis from west to east, Then we have done the certain activity with the umbrella also. Then after that we have tried to understand what is meant by the light year. Light year is a unit of measuring the distance between the heavenly bodies because their distance is far away. Okay. So light years mean the distance covered by the light in 1 year. And you know, light covers the distance of 3 lakhs kilometers per second. Then we have tried to understand the constellation. Constellation क्या बच्चे? Group of stars appearing to be a recognizable shape. That it appears as like that it is making some recognizable shape of an animal or a human being or any other object. But yes, there you require your fertile imagination. Fertile means yes, you have to construct in your mind when you close your eyes and you dream something like that. Fertile imagination. And so far, there are 88 constellations. And 12 we know when we are going through our Rashi fall and all that in Sunday papers. Singh Rashi, Mig Rashi, Kanya Rashi, Sagittarius, Scorpion, this and that. All these are there. Okay, we have studied that also. Then we have tried to understand about few constellations, Ursa Major, then Orion, Cassiopeia, then the Leo Major, then the Leo, Singh Rashi, or even it is all known as the Leo also. Then we have, what is the solar system? Solar system means the family of the sun. Solar of the sun. Solar system. Sun and its family. That means sun, planets, asteroids, comets, and meteorites. All these. And naturally, the satellites, natural satellites which are revolving around their planets. And we have studied that there are 8 planets. Before 2006, there used to be 9 planets. In the International Convention of the 2006, 1 or 2 more planets were to be included, but a new definition came forward. What is a planet? And Pluto was ousted in that convention. Okay, so then we have studied about sun. What are its different important features? Okay. Somewhat we have tried to understand that who is the bigger inner planets, outer planets, first 4 which are having rocky or a metallic, you can say soil like that, our earth. Then outer planets starting from Jupiter's inner, outer planets are made up of gases and all that. ये थोड़ा बहुत हमने try किया. Then we have studied about the particulars, the feature or characters of the first planet. First means when we say that in serial order from distance from sun. और उसमें हमने क्या क्या बच्चों देखा था? First planet is Mercury, Venus, then it is Earth, then Mars, then Jupiter, then Saturn, Uranus, and last one is the Neptune. Like this. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. In serial order means distance. The nearest planet to the sun is the Mercury, and the farthest planet to the sun is Neptune. To the Neptune. Mercury के बारे में हमने पढ़ लिया था, हमने अंडरस्टैंड कर लिया था. Morning and the evening are visible in the early morning hours in the east and after sunset, or late evening in the when the sunset is already there. Though we call it star because it appears when we see the stars and all that, but it is not a star. It is a planet. Okay. So now coming to the remaining 7 planets, let's try to understand their important features as compared vice versa each other and things. And we will try to see वो किसके बने हुए हैं. First 4 up to here, Mars, rocky, metallic. Remaining 4, they are gaseous. Okay. Now, Mercury, we have studied its features. Now coming to the Venus. बच्चों क्या है? To make it bit interesting, क्या करना है आपको? एक ना, आप जब बुक में पढ़ते हो, go through the particular characters of the Venus. शॉर्ट में आप नोटबुक पे लिख सकते हो टू मेक इट इंटरेस्टिंग. कैसे? whether atmosphere is there or not, वहां पे टेम्परेचर, व्हाट इज द टेम्परेचर ऑफ दैट प्लैनेट, ऑक्सीजन, वाटर इज प्रेजेंट और नॉट, okay, life is possible or not. That will correlate to temperature and the availability of the air or the atmosphere. So like that, how it is spinning, how much time it is taking, what is the size, like that. It becomes a bit interesting. जैसे, now let's try to understand about Venus. Says, okay, second planet means when compared to the distance from the sun, it is the second planet of the solar system. Yes, close to Earth. This planet is the closest planet to the Earth. Closest planet क्या है? सूरज के नजदीक कौन सा है? Nearest Mercury. Then come Venus. Mars is also a bit far away than the Venus. That means we are the third planet. We are the planet on which we are living. Our Earth, Mother Earth, is the third planet of the solar system. So this is the nearest close planet to the Earth. And funniest thing is, our Earth is revolving on its axis. Both though it is tilted axis, yes, from west to east. But in this case, the rotation of the planet Venus is not from west to east, it is from east to west. That means, if suppose you are on the planet Venus, sun will not rise in the east, sun will rise in the west. उल्टा हो जाएगा वहां, and sun will appear, or it will, you can say, it will move from west to east in the evening. So this is the beauty of this. What? The planet Venus. Second, distance from sun. Closest to the Earth. Rotation on its axis is from east to west. Thick atmosphere. Yes, atmosphere is there, but it is quite dense. Mainly of CO2. Mainly वहां बच्चों क्या है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस है. If mainly the atmosphere is made up of carbon dioxide gas, what will be its effects? Global warming, greenhouse effect. Last lesson में हमने पढ़ा. Global warming, greenhouse effect. That means because of the dense atmosphere and mainly made up of the carbon dioxide gas, temperature here is the what? Hottest. And it is the brightest star also. अब क्या है? Hottest star. Though it is second in distance from sun. Mercury is close to sun, but the temperature there is not that much which is at the planet Venus. Reason being presence of this greenhouse gas. Mainly the atmosphere is made up of carbon dioxide. It is brightest also, the most brightest stars. Again, as like you can say your Mercury, it is visible morning and as well as the evening star. Again, we should not call it a star, but since it appears along with the stars, we call it morning and evening stars. कहाँ दिखेगा? East and west में. In the early hours of the morning in the east, and after the sunset in the west. Yes, then yes, as like जैसे moon shows the phases, वो हम पढ़ेंगे नेक्स्ट लेसन में. जैसे हमने अंडरस्टूड किया है, मर्कुरी शोज फेजेस लाइक मून. सिमिलरली वेनस आल्सो शोज फेजेस लाइक मून. क्या है बच्चों? फेजेस. रीजन क्या है इसका? बिकॉज इट इज इनसाइड द ऑर्बिट ऑफ द अर्थ. जो मर्कुरी एंड वीनस दे लाइज इनर पहले आते हैं, ये इनर ऑर्बिट है इनके. दैट इज वाई दे शो फेजेस मतलब द पार्ट विच इज लिट बाय द. हमारा प्लैनेट्स का कोई अपना लाइट नहीं है. वी आर रिफ्लेक्टिंग द लाइट फॉलिंग ऑन द अस. कौन सी लाइट? द सनलाइट रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम सन. ओके, सो क्या कहा थे हम? यस, phases. When light falls on the planet Venus, it is reflected and the lit part is only visible since it is revolving around the sun. So whatsoever lit part is visible from the earth, that seems to be showing phases. Okay, and one thing the funniest, बच्चों ये सबसे सुस्त lazy planet है. Lazy planet कैसे? हमारी धरती अपने एक्सिस पे कितने टाइम में एक रोटेशन लेती है? पीरियड ऑफ रोटेशन. पीरियड ऑफ रेवोल्यूशन तो क्या है? वन सर्कल इन इट्स elliptical orbit, and period of rotation is going from west to east. Rotation around its own axis. What is that? We take just 1 hour. We are comparing the thing with Earth. 24 hours, 1 day only. And Venus, bhai sahab, they take 243 days to complete one rotation around its axis. यानी कहने का मतलब क्या है? कीड़ी और कछुए टॉर्टोइस से भी धीरे चलते हैं भाई साहब. लेडी स्टार. और yes, 243 days. इसका as like Mercury, it is not having any natural satellites or moon, you can say. जैसे हम मरकुरी ग्रह को हम क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी भाषा में? बुध ग्रह. हमारे वेदास के अंदर सारे बच्चों इनके नाम थे. बुध, शनि, शुक्र, बृहस्पति. इवन आवर ऑन मून विच इज ए सैटेलाइट ऑफ अर्थ, नेचुरल सैटेलाइट ऑफ अर्थ, विच इज आवर मून. सैटेलाइट और मून इट्स वन एंड द सेम थिंग. चंद्र ग्रह भी काउंट किया जाता है हमारे वेदास के अंदर. चंद्र को भी मून इज ट्रीटेड एज ए प्लैनेट, बट इट इज नॉट ए प्लैनेट, इट इज ए सैटेलाइट, नेचुरल सैटेलाइट ऑफ अर्थ. ओके, सो इन हिंदी वी कॉल वीनस एज द शुक्र ग्रह. शुक्र, मरकुरी बुध ग्रह. नाउ कमिंग टू द अर्थ. अर्थ के बारे में बच्चों आई डू नॉट थिंक दैट इज something is there to be explained to you people. धरती है, that's all. We are living on this planet and we know it is the only habitable planet of the solar system. We have already studied about this, that its axis is tilted 23.5 degree. जो एक्सिस है ना बच्चों, इससे ऐसा नहीं है कोई रॉड इज देयर एंड ऑल दैट. इट इज इमेजिनरी लाइन, imaginary axis. But yes, our earth remains tilted when it is revolving around the sun. It remains like this only. It does not this way or that way turns. No, the axis remain fixed. The axis of each and every planet always remain a fixed one. So, because of the tilting of this what? Axis, seasons, the part of the earth which is coming far away from the sun. अब क्या होगा बच्चों? Suppose sun is here. When it will be like this, when it comes like this, come here, some parts of the earth will be away and some parts will be closer to the earth. The parts or the areas of the earth which will be away from the sun, southern pole and all that. जब वो एक पर्टिकुलर, जैसे हमारा विंटर सीजन्स किससे बनते हैं? Because of this tilted position and it is revolving around the elliptical path. And it's because of its motion, this rotation around its axis, ये जो west to east axis rotation है, उससे क्या होता है बच्चों? The part which is in front of the sun, day is there, and the part which is away from the sun, night is there. 24 hours. अब मालूम है बच्चों आपको, difference of time is there. Just New Year is coming one day after New Year. That means today is 29th. Today is 29th. One day is left. 30th night we will be celebrating the New Year at around 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock in the night. But you know who is celebrating New Year? First country. You know? That is New Zealand. Reason being, yes, where it is New Zealand? Here it is New Zealand. From west to east. West to east. It is completing, that means New Zealand, it will take New Zealand to again come here at the same spot, it will take 24 hours. तो कहने का मतलब क्या है? As the earth progress from west to east, the countries which are coming, Asian country, then African country, then American country and all that, Europe and all that. You know, in European countries, American countries, they are far, far behind us. England timings, UK timings are 4.5 years behind us. जैसे अब in the morning I am just preparing this lesson, it is going to be this 8:30. What is the time? 4 o'clock in the morning in UK. And in Australia, 4.5 hours already have been passed. That means, what is the time there? 1 o'clock afternoon. दोपहर का टाइम है कहाँ पे? न्यूजीलैंड और आगे है. फर्स्ट कंट्री जो न्यू ईयर सेलिब्रेट करता है, दैट इज न्यूजीलैंड. देन कम ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड अदर कंट्रीज, जापान एंड ऑल दैट. फिर एशियन कंट्रीज आ जाते हैं, लाइक दैट. सो अर्थ डे एंड नाइट फॉर्मेशन किससे वजह से होती है? बिकॉज ऑफ द रोटेशन ऑफ द अर्थ ऑन इट्स एक्सिस फ्रॉम वेस्ट टू ईस्ट. एंड सीजन्स कैसे बनते हैं? बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स tilted position of the earth when it is revolving around its orbit around the sun. Parts which are just nearer to the sun, summer season is there, which are away from winter season and all that. And I already told you, it is the only habitable planet. So far. Though our scientists, the NASA people and all that, they are just trying. Other countries are also. We are also trying. We have also sent the Mangalyaan. We have sent Chandrayaan, Mangalyaan. We are also our ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization and all that. We are also in the pipeline. Okay. So, only habitable. So far. And what are the reasons? 3 reasons I am discussing with you time and again. Air, water and optimum temperature. Yes, atmosphere is there, rich in oxygen, which is essential for respiration or life. Along with other gases. Yes, then optimum temperature. Yes, carbon dioxide gas is there, which is a greenhouse gas. It is keeping the, you can say, earth atmosphere warmer, fit for life. Optimum temperature. Yes, there are unique places on the planet Earth also. Arctic region, north hemisphere, under this you can say South Pole, North Pole areas and all that. Antarctica, South Pole, which are colder, but still yes, by adopting certain adaptation and doing, we can survive there. We can survive there. We are surviving there. Antarctica region, though there is no, you can say, much habitation in the South Pole, but North Pole, yes, Canada and all that, Greenland, Alaska, this and that. People are living. Siberian. So, and yes, one more you can add here. The 4th character also you can add here for presence of life. That is the presence of ozone layer in the atmosphere of the earth. And what this is helping, we have already discussed in the last chapter number 18, pollution of air and water. Ozone layer protects us from the harmful effects of the ultraviolet rays. Okay. Then, so these are the, अब क्या है बच्चों, we also know 24 आवर्स में हम अपना एक रोटेशन कंप्लीट करते हैं, 365 and 1/4 days में हम अपना एक रेवोल्यूशन कंप्लीट करते हैं. All this, so nothing much to be told. And in Hindi, what we are calling the planet Earth, Prithvi इसका हिंदी का नाम है. Okay, coming to the planet Mars, it is also known as a red planet. What is its number? Last in the what? Inner planet. 4th planet from the sun as far as distance is covered. Red planet. Visible most of the year. Most of the year means सारा साल दिखाई देता है. Yes, सबसे इसकी जो important character है बच्चों, it is a very small planet. And most like of earth. इसका जो construction of soil है, rocky, metallic and all that, it is almost like the earth. Most like of the earth. That is why scientists are trying to find life on the Mars. Scientists says that if at all life is there on any other planet, that could be Mars. Because atmosphere is there. Though it is not that much rich in oxygen, thin atmosphere is there, very thin atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is there and small amounts of oxygen, nitrogen, noble gases and water vapors also. तो कहने का मतलब क्या है? Though the atmosphere is not as we, the planet Earth, are having, but yes, atmosphere is there. Carbon dioxide is there, which can trap the what? Heat rays. Traces of what? In small quantity, oxygen is there, nitrogen is there, noble gases are there, and water vapors are also available on the what? The planet Mars. That means quite similar to that of the availability on the Earth, but lesser quantity. Thin atmosphere, away from the earth, at temperature is cold. It is a colder one as compared to earth and sun. So still the scientist, though it is very cold as compared to earth, still the scientists are thinking availability of this nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and water vapors. Scientists think at least primitive life is possible. Primitive जो start हुई थी, singular, cellular and all, जो starting, जो life जैसे अर्थ पे life start हुई थी, Darwin theory of evolution and all that you will study in higher classes. Evolution. वो जो primitive life, it might exist on the Mars. That is why each and every countries, like big countries, not each and every country, big countries like Russia, America, China, Japan, and we, India, we are trying to explore the possibility of life on the planet Mars. और Mars को हम क्या बोलते हैं? मंगल ग्रह. मंगल बहुत भारी है भाई. मंगल ग्रह इसका नाम है हिंदी के अंदर. ओके. Now coming to the Jupiter. Yes, this is the first planet, fifth as per distance is covered, first planet of the outer orbit. First planet of the outer orbit. And this is the biggest as size and mass is concerned. Biggest planet of the solar system. Biggest planet. Twice than the और यानी सबको अगर आप इकट्ठा प्लेनेट को कर दें, उन सबको मिलाकर भी इसका जो साइज है इट इज ऑलमोस्ट ट्वाइस एज मास आल्सो. इसका जो भार है, इट्स मास इज मोर देन द ऑल प्लैनेट्स टेकन टुगेदर. यानी सब प्लैनेट्स के वेट को इकट्ठा एक तरफ कर दो और जुपिटर को एक तरफ कर दो. जुपिटर मास इज मोर देन द टोटल मास ऑफ ऑल अदर 7 प्लैनेट्स. ओके. सो यस, इट्स डायमीटर, साइज, जब हम बोलते हैं ना बिगेस्ट प्लैनेट, साइज ऑफ द जुपिटर इज 11 टाइम्स. इफ वी टेक the diameter of the earth as unit 1, एक यूनिट, सिंगल यूनिट ट्रीट करते हैं, इट्स डायमीटर इज 11 टाइम. यानी जितना डायमीटर अर्थ का है उसका क्या है? 11 टाइम्स है डायमीटर साइज के हिसाब से. और मास क्या है? मास इज 318 टाइम्स. जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. यानी कि हमारा वेट, हमारा मास कितना है टोटल प्लेनेट अर्थ का बच्चों? उसका 318 टाइम्स. And if we compare the volume of the earth and the volume of the planet Jupiter, more than 1300 earths can be fitted into. अगर हम एक एक करके अर्थ को फिट करना शुरू करें in the volume of Jupiter, more than 1300 earth can be fitted into Jupiter. इतना बड़ा प्लेनेट है ये, इतना बड़ा प्लेनेट है. 13, more than 1300 earths can be. अब क्या बच्चों? Since it is the first gaseous planet, mainly it is made up of what? Hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen and helium. दूरी ज्यादा है, it is far away, it is quite cold, and its atmosphere जो है, along with helium and hydrogen, it is having poisonous gases in its atmosphere, methane, ammonia. So if poisonous gases like methane and ammonia are there, life, एक तो coldness, presence of poisonous gases, life is not possible. और इसे हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? बृहस्पति ग्रह. ग्रह बृहस्पति, वीरवार, थर्सडे, बृहस्पति, इसे हम बृहस्पति ग्रह बोलते हैं. यस, आई फॉरगॉट टू टेल यू यार, हमारा एक पृथ्वी का 1 सैटेलाइट है और मार्स के 2 सैटेलाइट्स हैं. ठीक है. और Jupiter is having 79 moons, natural satellites which are revolving around the planet Jupiter. Okay? So this is all about Jupiter. Now coming to the Saturn. Sixth planet from the Sun. सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट यानी साइज का अगर हम कंपैरिजन करते हैं, इट इज नेक्स्ट टू जुपिटर. अगेन आउटर प्लैनेट्स गैसियस प्लैनेट्स हैं, मेड अप ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड हीलियम. यस, इसकी एक खासियत है बच्चों, इट इज द लीस्ट डेंस planet of the solar system. You know, the density of water is treated as unit 1. Density of water is 1. We are comparing mass, etc. with the density of water. 1 gram. किसके बराबर है बच्चों? The weight of the water of 1 cubic centimeter. 1 cubic centimeter. 1 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब का जो वेट है पानी का वो कितना इज इक्वल टू 1 ग्राम मास. अब क्या है? डेंसिटी ऑफ दिस प्लैनेट Saturn is quite less than water. Then suppose if you are having a very very big bowl, बहुत बड़ा एक हमारे पास बर्तन है, बाउल है, टप है. If we fill it with water and put this planet Saturn in that tub having water, it will float in water. कहने का मतलब जैसे हम कोई लकड़ी का टुकड़ा, हम कोई बॉल या कोई हम प्लास्टिक की चीज पानी में गिराते हैं, it floats in the water. Similarly, since because of its low density, this Saturn will float in water. Least dense will float in water. Yes, और एक सबसे बड़ी ब्यूटी क्या है बच्चों इसकी? Saturn is having most beautiful, colorful rings around it. Though not visible with the naked eyes, हम आम आंखों से नहीं देख सकते. We have to use telescope and all that to see these colorful rings. But yes, there are distinct 3 layers are there, and these are made up of particles. और हम इसे हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? Miniature satellites. There are thousands and thousands and thousands of mini satellites which are there in that what surrounding the planet Saturn. So miniature satellites. ये यूनिक कैरेक्टर है बच्चों इसका, प्रेजेंस ऑफ कलरफुल रिंग्स. वेरी कोल्ड, ठंडा है क्योंकि दूर है. वही प्रेजेंस ऑफ हीलियम एंड hydrogen. Okay, then this Saturn planet is having the maximum number of what? Moons. Natural satellite 82 satellites. जैसे हमारा एक चंदा मामा है तो Saturn के 82 चंदा मामा हैं. वहां 82 नानी सरखा काट रही होंगी. ओके. और हिंदी में से हम क्या बोलते हैं? शनि, 60 शनि ग्रह जिसपे कहते हैं ना, वो हमारे ब्राह्मण लोग बोलते हैं जिसपे शनि ग्रह भारी, उसका सब काम उल्टा. ओके, सो इन हिंदी वी आर कॉलिंग दिस प्लेनेट एज द शनि ग्रह. नाउ यूरेनस, अब सीरियल ऑर्डर में क्या आ गया? 7th planet. Yes, and this is the 4th planet which was discovered with the help of telescope. Already मैंने अपने last lesson में भी आपको बताया था. Out of these 8 planets, 6 were discovered with our this scientists or geographical scientist people with their naked eyes, and these 2, Uranus and Neptune, they were discovered with the help of the telescopes. Okay, so first, 7th. As distance is related from the sun, first with telescope. 4 times of Earth. इतना दूर है, हमारी धरती से 4 times बड़ा है, लेकिन जब इसे टेलीस्कोप से देखते हैं तो ये एक डिस्क, एक चक्री की तरह नजर आता है. इट अपीयर्स टू बी अ स्मॉल डिस्क फ्रॉम द टेलीस्कोप. और क्या है बच्चों? आफ्टर जुपिटर, बिगेस्ट एंड द लार्जेस्ट प्लैनेट, सेकंड लार्जेस्ट प्लैनेट और बिगेस्ट प्लैनेट, यूरेनस इज द थर्ड लार्जेस्ट प्लैनेट. थर्ड लार्जेस्ट प्लैनेट. और सबसे इसकी जो ब्यूटी है बच्चों, जैसे मैंने बताया ना, वो सैटर्न के कलरफुल रिंग्स हैं. कलरफुल रिंग्स हैं. डेंसिटी लो है, पानी में तैरेगा, फ्लोट करेगा. किसकी? सैटर्न की. इसी तरह बच्चों यूरेनस की एक बहुत अच्छी, वो क्या है? ये फुटबॉल है. आप हंसेंगे, सर कैसे फुटबॉल है? इसकी जो बच्चों एक्सिस है, जिसके ऊपर ये रोटेट करता है, रोटेट करता है, वो क्या है? हाईली टिल्टेड. हमारी तो 23.5 डिग्री टिल्ट है, ऑलमोस्ट 90 डिग्री पे टिल्ट है इसकी एक्सिस. और सबसे बड़ी बात, एज लाइक वीनस भाई साहब, सेकंड प्लेनेट, जैसे वीनस है, हम ईस्ट वेस्ट टू ईस्ट घूमते हैं ना, और हमें सन अपीयर लगता है, राइजेस इन द ईस्ट एंड सेट्स इन द वेस्ट. ये भी वीनस की तरह है. इट इज नॉट रोटेटिंग अराउंड इट्स एक्सिस फ्रॉम वेस्ट टू ईस्ट, वेस्ट टू ईस्ट. ये ईस्ट से वेस्ट, जो है ईस्ट टू वेस्ट बच्चों होगा, ये ऐसा लगता है जैसे एक फुटबॉल की तरह. इट इज रोलिंग इन इट्स ऑर्बिट as like a football, as a ball. So yes, beauty. मैंने कहा ना आपको, we have to create interest to understand this topic or this chapter. So Uranus 7th, first with telescope, 4 times the size of the Earth, but appears as a small disk. Third largest, coming after Jupiter and Saturn. Highly tilt his axis at about 90 degrees and rotation not from west to east like other 6 planets. एक आप वीनस छोड़ दीजिए और इसको छोड़ दीजिए, यूरेनस को. All others are from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and last one. West to east. When they are rotating, all these planets, 6 planets, except Venus and Uranus, they are rotating from west to east. Venus and Uranus, they are what? East to west, east to west. और कैसे लगता है? जैसे एक फुटबॉल रोल कर रहा हो. So try to make it the topic interesting. Extremely cold, far away. जब हमें दिखाई एक वो डिस्क की तरह देता है, छोटी सी प्लेट नजर आती है हमें, तो दूरी कितनी होगी? दो इट इज व्हाट? हाउ मेनी टाइम्स? 4 टाइम्स. कहीं लिखा है 4 टाइम्स होता है साइज. साइज में हमारे से 4 गुना बड़ा होने के बाद भी इतना दूर है, छोटा नजर आता है. ठंडा है, कोल्ड, क्वाइट कोल्ड. लाइफ इज नॉट पॉसिबल. मेनली मेड अप ऑफ वही हीलियम एंड हाइड्रोजन एंड हीलियम. 27 सैटेलाइट्स, 27 सैटेलाइट्स. और हिंदी में हम इसे क्या बोलते हैं? इंद्र ग्रह, इंद्र देवता. द लास्ट वन, लास्ट ग्रह जो है हमारा नेपच्यून. 8 आउटर मोस्ट, सबसे आखिरी वाला, फारदेस्ट फ्रॉम सन एंड अर्थ. हमारी धरती से भी सबसे दूर है, क्योंकि लास्ट है भाई. और सन से तो है ही है, बिकॉज वी आर क्वाइट अवे. 15 करोड़ किलोमीटर है हम किससे? सन से. सो फारदेस्ट फ्रॉम सन एंड द अर्थ. और बट गैसियस, yes, it is made up of gases, but here the gases are not in the gaseous form. They are either in the liquid and frozen. Why again? Hydrogen and helium, coldest, far away, no life. क्यों? क्या चाहिए हमें? We want proper atmosphere with oxygen, optimum temperature, water, and yes, fourth you can add to it, that is the presence of ozone layer. So हिंदी में इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं बच्चों? extremely cold, no life. Yes, it is having 14 satellites. इसके 14 चंदा मामा हैं किसके? हमारे लास्ट नेपच्यून के। हिंदी में हम क्या बोलते हैं इसे? वरुण ग्रह। क्या बोलते हैं? वरुण ग्रह, वरुणा ग्रह, वरुण। सो हमारे सब जो क्या कहते हैं, ये जो आपके संडे मंडे है, इनको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं सोमवार, मंगलवार, बुधवार, वीरवार, शुक्रवार, शनिवार, इतवार। ये जो सारे ग्रह हैं बच्चों, ये नाम के ही है। मंगल ग्रह, बुध ग्रह, शुक्र ग्रह, शनि ग्रह एंड ऑल दैट। सो क्या है बच्चों? दैट इज व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू इन द लास्ट लेसन्स। Science was highly developed in India. In India, Mahabharata, Ramayana, they are fighting with their, वो तीरों से मारते हैं, they are striking and blasting and all that. These were what? Satellites. Or not satellites, they were missiles. Missiles. कहने का मतलब Ram and Ravana, Kauravas and Pandavas, they have already used missiles in their wars, which now the advanced countries are developing and using. We as India also, we are daily कोई ना कोई वो हर 5-7 दिन में आता है, Agni, Prithvi, BrahMos, this and that, missile tested, blasting missile, cruise missile, this missile, that missile. Though we are also in the pipeline of the DRDO. But yes, they were already there. But what क्या हुआ बच्चों? हमने अपने ज्ञान को, हमने अपनी नॉलेज को सिमट के रख दिया ब्राह्मणों के बीच में. They never wanted to share. द्रोणाचार्य, ऋषि व्यासा, this and that, वो वहां कन्फाइंड हो गई, शेयर नहीं हुई. अमेरिका वाले हमारे ही वेदास को, ग्रंथास को उठाकर ले गए, वो हमसे आगे निकल गए. बात कभी फिर कभी डिस्कस करेंगे ये बात. ओके, नाउ यस, आई हैव टोल्ड यू जुपिटर बिगेस्ट, more than 1300 Earths can be fitted into that means such a huge, the big volume of Jupiter is there. So if we try to calculate, ये कैसे करेंगे आप? वॉल्यूम का सर्कल कैसे होता है बच्चों? 4/3 pi r cube. Pi is a constant, r is also constant. Constant मतलब क्या है? रेडियस जो है, रेडियस हर बॉल का कांस्टेंट होगा. It is also a round ball. Jupiter is also a round ball. If you take the Earth, the radius as unit 1, it will be 11. And if you try to calculate this, 4/3 pi is same for calculating the volume of the Earth and the volume of the, you can say. So you can ignore this. क्यों? ये अर्थ के वॉल्यूम को कैलकुलेट करने में भी सेम है और जुपिटर के वॉल्यूम को भी कैलकुलेट. रेडियस इज 11 टाइम्स 11 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 11 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 11, it comes out to be 1331. That means the volume of the Jupiter is 1331 times more. That is how we can say more than 1300 Earths can be fitted into the Jupiter. So with this, I think we should end our topic today. This much is sufficient for today. We would like to have 2 more sessions on this. Different other peculiar features of the solar system, phases of moon, then comet, asteroids, all these we will study in the remaining 2 sessions. Thank you. Enjoy your study. Any problem, free to contact me. Thank you. Bye.